Caleb, can I roll this all the way over there? Can I? Say rum rum rum. It can go all the way over there now, okay? Hannah, move your hand. Move your hand. It can go all the way over there, okay?
Where'd it go?
Where did it go?
Oh, I'm gonna do this one the same way, okay?
I think he went. There you go.
Uh-oh! Go get him. Please, thank you. Go get Sally. Go get Sally. Get Mater on your way back. Please. There you go. Thank you, girl. Mater, Sally, and Lightning.
Daddy.
Who's this? Who's this? Caleb. Uh-oh. I hit my shoe. You want to do that one?
Good job, buddy.
There you go. Hannah, retrieve them.
Retrieve them.
Hannah. Okay, you're getting too wild now, baby. Can you get Sally, Lightning McQueen, and Mater again? We won't do it no more. Okay? No. Bring it here.
Caleb, say no, no, no.
Thank you. Want to put it back in there?
Are you done playing with your cars?
Alright, baby. Time to put the cars, baby. Give me the truck.
Give it to Daddy.
Hannah. Give me the
Give
truck.
it to Daddy.
Hannah. Bring the truck. Bring here, please. Hannah. Come on, baby. Bring the truck.
Hannah. Thank you.
Thank you. You want to watch cars?
Yeah.
You need a diaper?
Where you going?
The car's over there. Car's over there. Okay.
Please.
That man there. Be right back, baby. Hannah. Play with your dolls this time, okay? Come on, let's play with your dolls. Yes. Let's play with your dolls, okay? Who's this? This Minnie Mouse? Okay. And Mickey Mouse. And Mickey Mouse.
That's Peter Pan.
Say Peter Pan. There you go. Who's that is? Who's this, Mama?
Look on the bag.
Okay, we don't know who this is yet, okay? Uh-oh, Peter Pan fell. Peter Pan went boom boom.
Where's Hercules?
Who's this? Who's this? Who? Some guy with glasses, alright. Who's this right here?
Handy Manny.
Who? Who's this?
Trunky, or what's his name? No, that's the elephant out there, ain't it?
Who is?
Lumpy. Lumpy's his name.
Does paper make him laugh?
Me sneeze.
Does paper make him sneeze? Who this?
Hercules, Hercules. I don't know who that is.
That ain't Hercules. Hey.
There's. Good Lord, man. What's Caleb trying to do? Does he need help?
You need help, baby? You need help? You want help?
Yeah.
You got it? What's wrong? Uh-oh. Put that leg for a minute, okay? I get her. I get her. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I got you. Want a little shot? Hey, is that better? Hannah, leave. What are you doing, girl? Hey. You're like a little puppy. Can't go in the house.
You gotta get that car for Bubba.
I'm getting the car for him.